Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, matchmaking error 2, we had trouble connecting to content beacon service, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this matchmaking error 2 on Fortnite easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your date and time is correctly set. So if your date and time is incorrectly configured, then you can have problems connecting to the internet. So just right click on here, click adjust date and time, make sure set time automatically is ticked on, and then click sync now on here. But what you can also do is turn off set time automatically, click change in time manually, and then put your time in here, click change, go into time zone, select your location from here, and then click sync now. When you click sync now, it will sync your date and time to the correct time. Once it's done syncing to the internet, then now when you try to play Fortnite, you'll see that matchmaking will work correctly and you will not get that matchmaking error 2 anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.